Hi, to customize quick settings on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, as a first step we would need to find them. For that, just swipe down from the upper right corner and now you can see some of the features and your notifications. But if you swipe down one more time, you would see only quick settings features. So here, don't forget to swipe left to check all of the pages. In my case, it is only 2 for now. And here you can see some features as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, auto rotate, and so on. Features which are white are enabled and which are gray are disabled. So to customize this page, you would need to tap this pen icon on top and here select full or top panel. Let's select full for now. I'm gonna tap edit. And now we can touch and hold to move buttons. First thing we can do is to change the order of our current features. So for example, we can simply drag this to not disturb mode right here. So we can replace it. Location we can replace here or on the top like that. And the same we can do on our second page. If you would like to add more features, you will need to take a look at this available buttons control. So here we got 3 pages and let's check what we can add to our quick settings. For example, I want to add take screenshot. For that, I'm gonna press this icon and drag it to the top like that to move it to our current quick settings. And you can do the same with any other feature from this list. For example, create note. And then save the changes by tapping this done button. And also we can customize this top panel. So let's tap edit. And here we can touch and hold to move buttons and 7 buttons are required. So here you can find your top panel. You can reorder them. You can, for example, remove some of the features here by tapping this minus and add something from this list. Here we got 3 pages as well. And also save the changes by tapping done button. Now let's go back in the quick settings like that. And now you can see those 2 features which I added before. So take screenshot and create note. Let's tap on take screenshot. And now the screenshot is taken. So let's go back into quick settings and now tap create note. And now we got quick access to Notes app. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.